Hello my dear friends, welcome to Recyclebintech channel. Today we are going to see Windows update error. Let us see what we are facing. Now the system is checking for new update. You can see Windows 10 version 22H2 and KB503441. This is the update which we have to be installed on this laptop. Let us see what the error which we are facing. It will take little time because the installation is continued. It will show like 1 2 3 4 5 6, but it's holding for like a 0 for little time, and after that we'll see the error. Let me pause that to the error to be appear. Now you can see the error. There was some problem installing update, but we will try again later. If you keep seeing this and want to search for the web and contact support for the information, this may help. Like this is the and error code. Now for this purpose, to solve this issue, from the search bar, from here we'll type run, or better to type cmd, and from here just right click, type run as administrator, can give yes. After opening this one, I am pasting one command here. Just this is the command, can make it closer, dism.exe space /online space /cleanup image space restore health, and hit enter. It will take little time. See, it's now running. You have to wait till the process to be completed. Now the process has been completed. You can see here 100%. The restore operation completed successfully. Now I am going to enter one more command, that's sfc space scan now, and hit enter. This one, it will take little time, same like it has to be completed like 100%. We have to wait patiently till the process to be completed. So you can see this verification like a 7% completed. We have to wait till it has to be like 100%. While the process is going, don't disturb the system like a cancelling or something. Now it's almost reached like a 60%. The process is going to be completed like almost 98, 99, 100. We'll type exit from here and enter. After that we have to restart the system. Let me restart. Now the system has restarted. Now we'll go for settings. If that method is not working, directly open the Google and type 22H2 Windows 10 upgrade tool. Why we are writing 22H2 means it's a new updation from Windows for Windows 10. We can directly type 22H2 Windows 10 upgrade tool, and from the first link we can see that download Windows 10 image. From this we will select uh, download tool. After that you will get a small file, just run that file. After the while the file is running, it will ask 2-3 time restart. You can directly follow the old operating system, nothing will happen. This will work 100%. This is how to solve this issue. It's very easy method. If you like the video, please subscribe and support. Thank you for watching. We'll see you on the next video. Bye bye, see you.